Driving theory test. Question 1. What must you have when you apply to renew your vehicle tax? Valid insurance, the vehicle's chassis number, the handbook, a valid driving license. Time to think. The correct answer is valid insurance. Explanation. You can renew your vehicle tax online at post offices and by phone using the DVLA. Vehicle Tax Service. When applying, make sure you have all the relevant valid documents, including a valid MOT, test certificate where applicable. Question 2. What should you do before making a U-turn? Select a higher gear than normal. Look over your shoulder for a final check. Give an arm signal as well as using your indicators. Check road markings to see that U-turns are permitted. Time to think. The correct answer is look over your shoulder for a final check. Explanation. If you have to make a U-turn, slow down and ensure that the road is clear in both directions. Make sure that the road is wide enough for you to carry out the maneuver safely. Use your mirrors and look around to check it's safe before turning across the road. Question 3. What must you check before you drive someone else's vehicle? That your own vehicle has insurance cover. That the insurance documents are in the vehicle. That the vehicle owner has third-party insurance cover. That the vehicle is insured for your use. Time to think. The correct answer is that the vehicle is insured for your use. Explanation. Driving a vehicle without insurance cover is illegal. So be sure that whoever's car you drive, you're insured, whether on their policy or on your own. If you need to take out insurance, it's worth comparing several quotes before you decide which insurance provider best meets your needs. Question 4. What should you do if you can't see clearly behind when you're reversing? Open the door to look behind. Look in the near side mirror. Ask someone to guide you. Open the window to look behind. Time to think. The correct answer is ask someone to guide you. Explanation. If you want to turn your car around, try to find a place where you have good all-round vision. If this isn't possible and you're unable to see clearly, then get someone to guide you. Question 5. What information is found on a vehicle registration document? The registered keeper, the date of the MOT, the service history details, the type of insurance cover. Time to think. The correct answer is the registered keeper. Explanation. Every vehicle used on the road has a registration document. This shows the vehicle's details, including date of first registration, registration number, registered keeper, previous keeper, make of vehicle, engine size, chassis number, year of manufacture and color. Question 6. When do windscreen pillars cause a serious obstruction to your view? When you're driving on a dual carriageway, when you're driving on a motorway, when you're approaching bends and junctions, when you're approaching a one-way street. Time to think. The correct answer is when you're approaching bends and junctions. Explanation. Windscreen pillars can obstruct your view, particularly at bends and junctions. Look out for other road users, especially cyclists, motorcyclists, and pedestrians who can easily be overlooked. Question 7. When could the cost of your insurance be reduced? When you're under 25 years old, when you complete the Pass Plus scheme, when you pass the driving test first time, when you don't wear glasses. Time to think. The correct answer is when you complete the Pass Plus scheme. Explanation. The cost of insurance varies with your age and how long you've been driving. Usually, the younger you are, the more expensive it is, especially if you're under 25. Pass Plus provides additional training to newly qualified drivers. The scheme is recognized by many insurance companies, and taking this extra training could give you reduced insurance premiums, as well as improving your skills and experience. Question 8. What legal requirement must be met by a newly qualified driver? They must be accompanied on their first motorway journey. They must have valid motor insurance. They must display green L plates. They must have a new photograph taken for the full license. Time to think. The correct answer is they must have valid motor insurance. Explanation. It's your responsibility to make sure you're properly insured for the vehicle you're driving. This is the case regardless of whether you're a newly qualified driver or one with more experience. Question 9. What should you do as you approach this bridge? Keep to 30 mph. Slow down. Change gear. Move to the right. Time to think. The correct answer is slow down. Explanation. You should slow down and be cautious. Hump bridges are often narrow, and there may not be enough room for you to pass an oncoming vehicle at this point. Also, there's no footpath, so be aware of pedestrians in the road. Question 10. What's likely to happen if you use a hands-free phone while you're driving? It will increase your concentration. It will divert your attention. It will improve your safety. It will reduce your view. The correct answer is it will divert your attention. Explanation. Talking to someone while you're driving can distract you, and unlike when someone is in the car with you, the person on the other end of a mobile phone is unable to see the traffic situations you're dealing with. They won't stop speaking to you even if you're approaching a hazardous situation. You need to concentrate on your driving at all times.